I arrived in Napier on a Viking cruise ship, and a new friend and I decided that we would rent an e-bike and ride from Napier to Cape Kidnappers. It seemed like a fairly easy journey. Our first stop was a small park that was right in Napier, and from there we were able to get on paths that paralleled the ocean coast. But it wasn't a straight shot all the time. You had to kind of go in and out, sometimes to the coast and away from the coast. Here you see some rowers. And because you were going in and out, what I think should have been a 60-kilometer round trip turned out to be probably closer to 80. This was one of my favorite areas. There were these black swans in this lagoon area. Very pretty. And the landscape changed from grasslands to a little bit more trees to farmland. Here's an orchard. And you pass lots of lakes and rivers. This was mostly a gravel path all the way. And eventually we came right up next to the coastline. And not long after, we reached our destination of Cape Kidnappers. There's a nice little restaurant there where we had lunch. As a senior, this trip really tested my endurance, mainly because we had to hightail it back to the ship because we lost track of time. But it was a glorious ride. Would do it again.